Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps. Then you will enter to Google Drive. After that in this page of app info we click on first stop. Then we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Here we go to click clear data. And after that you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.